Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to custom number formatting for million in Google Sheets. So let's started. At first, open your Google Sheets document. In this video, I will show that custom number formatting for millions. Now going to the format menu option. Select from the number. Now going to the format menu option. Now click for a number. Now select from the custom number format. Now custom number format from search menu. Now press from 0 into, then show the 0 into 0 double comma and double quotation M. Press on apply. That it's. Then again add a text select. Now going to the format menu option. Now click for a number option. Now select from a custom number format. Now click for a custom number format is the search bar. Now 0.0 comma and double quotation M double quotation from apply. That's it. Then I show custom number formatting for millions in Google Sheets is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.